To change the watch face of your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is fairly simple. Start by opening up the Samsung Wearables app on your watch, and then from here, you're going to select the option Watch Face. Now, under Watch Faces, you should be able to see different styles available. So, you'll have ultra exclusive designs, you'll have workout, you'll have timeless styles, all sorts of options available. So, you can go ahead and scroll through the many options, select one to see how it would look like. If you like it, you can go ahead and download it, or you can go back and continue browsing. You can also scroll down even further down and select a watch face that is matching your current style. So you can go ahead and select it, and depending on whether you're wearing formal, business casual, casual, street casual, playful, or athletic, you should have a different watch face available for you. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and select the watch face that you would like, and then choose the option Apply. Some watch faces may allow you to edit, so you can also go ahead and edit. And once you've selected apply, you should now be able to see a new watch face successfully applied. You can still go ahead and update it or edit it according to your preferences, but once you've done that, you should be able to see the changes happening on your watch face. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.